In this video, we're going to take the assets that we've made in the previous sessions and output a presentation website that can be publicly viewable and tells the audience a little bit about your project. So to start with, I'm going to use an agent node on one of these images. I'm going to ask it to generate some marketing material for this house by example architects. We're going to create 3 different variations and we're going to output those as a list so that we can have options to choose from. One-shot prompting of marketing material is pretty bad with most agents currently, but I feel like this one is the least bad of the lot. So I'm just going to select this text, and then if I just paste anywhere on the canvas, it'll paste it as a text node. So we have a description of the house, and then we have a few different images and a hero video. So I'm now going to plug this into another agent node. It has defaulted this as the prompt, but that is not the case. I actually want this to be content. I want to take the video as content, and I also want to take the heroes as content. So we're going to ask the agent to use this media in a professional portfolio website, and we'll leave it set to Markdown. Use Gemini 3.1 Pro for this, and we'll hit play. Okay, so it's output this. If we make it a bit bigger, you can see that it's built us a small website. It's used our marketing material. It's showing the images. It's actually given them some details as well based off their content. And yeah, so that's a great output for this. So there's 2 outputs on this node. There is artifacts, which is what we're going to use to publish this, and then there's the result. So with artifacts, if we drag away, we can scroll down and you'll see that in the Runchat menu for artifacts. So we'll select artifact. We'll call this one Outback Haven. We'll plug the artifact into the content. And here it's set to create artifact, which is what we want to do in this case. And so we'll run this. Cool. So that is the artifact ID. And now I'll show you what has happened. So if we select the Runchat menu in the top left and go to workflows, you can see that below workflows, there is an artifacts menu. When you first open artifacts, it'll prompt you to create a handle, and the handle will be your kind of public website. So if anyone visits runchat.com/James-Runchat, they'll see my personal page, and you can see that I have Outback Haven published. And so if I select this artifact, it's now a website that's hosted on Runchat, and you can share this with anyone. So it's quite easy to go from a few images and some ideas and your concepts and get them to a highly polished presentation output using Runchat's artifacts.